Yeah, join me on a little walking tour. Hey, blue skies, crazy. I've just come off the islands. It's been crazy bad weather. So, we are at Bakum Sari, this road that runs all the way down, hits a market, you go that way and that way, and you'll hit the beach. This road will take you to Poppies 1 and Poppies 2, but we're not going to head that way. We're going to head down this way because I've not walked this way before. Now, we were on Gili Air. We had 11 days on Gili T, 9 days on Gili, 9 or 10 days on Gili Air, I can't remember now. We were supposed to get a speedboat back, but we had there was a cyclone in the Indian Ocean that was causing some crazy weather going on in around the islands and around the Gili Islands. All the boats got cancelled, so we had to get a flight back in Lombok. So we had to book a private speedboat from the hotel that took us into Lombok with a private transfer. Hello, hello. So yeah, we flew back from Lombok International into Bali because a friend of mine that I'm with at the moment is leaving. I've got to do a visa run. Jack's 99. I've just been in there and had a couple of cheeky bintangs. Hello, ladies. Go, 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 go. I'm staying down here at the moment. Oops. It's mad here. Yeah, I've been back in Bali for like about 25 minutes and I've been offered lots of drugs, a wooden cock, which was strange, and loose women. So there you go. And the wooden cock wasn't a keyring, so interesting. Yeah, so just join me in a little walking tour today. Just going to show you what's out and about this time of year. We are in low season. The weather has been horrendous, like I've just been saying. The traffic around here isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Further down in Seminyak, where we were staying before, it was horrendous. Move. Never been to Bali before, and you don't know what to expect. This is one of the it's one of the more popular areas to stay. You get a lot of Australians coming here. Oops. It's really cheap in Bali compared to being on the islands. But the island life is super relaxing, so that's why I always give it a go. Exactly what we were saying 5 minutes ago. You didn't get your name on one, there you go. Yeah, so I've got to do a visa run. My visa runs out, so I've got to leave the area. I'm going to Singapore. Spend a lot of time in Singapore and then back again.
How are you, boss?
All good, my friend, all good.
This one, boss.
Oh, is this one? Yeah.
Remember, boss.
Hey.
I love you.
Everybody loves you when you're spending money.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you need charging and stuff, you can get all these here.
Which one?
And this man will sell you them.
Hello, Mr.
Ooh, chess.
Hello,
Let's have a quick look, yeah.
Hello, chess, sir.
This is my game.
Chess, sir.
Oh, you're in trouble. There we go. Oops, sorry. Hello. I think that was just on the A7. Now I call this the Bintang bus. So you can hire these things. Jump into the road. And they take you around on like a pedally thing. And you can drink as much as you want. Or whatever package you're buying. Hello! Come on ladies, give us a wave!
Yes, master. From Bali.
You're gonna be my thumbnail.
Okay.
The ladies are good, yeah? The ladies, mwah. Yeah. I'll tell you what, the Indonesian people are absolutely amazing. Quick check on the price. So yeah, euro's not doing bad. Pound isn't doing bad. If you like this kind of content, I've got a little channel, it's growing slowly. I've been vlogging for about 6 months now. I'm just short of 5,000 followers. I'd love to hit the 5,000 mark. So if you are kind enough, it's completely free to like and subscribe. Help my little channel grow. And if you know anyone coming to Bali and this kind of content would help, share the channel, share the link, and do me a solid favour. Completely free. Like and subscribe. So just to give you an idea of prices, a large bottle of Bintang here, probably going to cost you around about 40. In one of the smaller bars on the islands, you'll be paying up to 70. So you've got a bit of an increase in price. Island life, so obviously you're going to pay that. And I think a small beer will cost you around about 30, 35, depending where you go. And on the islands, you'll be paying about 45. You gotta love Indonesian construction workers, like Thai construction workers, bit of bamboo and get up there and get the job done. Oops, sorry. So I'm going this way, but you've gotta watch out for the traffic, it's crazy around here. So, it's all a one-way system around here now. Has been for a while. I do come to Bali frequently. So I'm kind of like knowing what's happened over the years. Oh, sorry, I'm in the way. Got to cross the road quickly. These are the Bluebird taxis, which are the official taxis. They start on a meter, you get a meter rate. You've got a few apps these days. If you're at the airport and you're new, you are going to get ripped off royally. You're knackered, you come off a long haul flight, you don't care what you pay, doesn't sound like a lot of money, pay it. Once you've been here a few days, you realise you've been ripped off. I've had a busy day travelling, felt the same, I just wanted to pay, get out and go. So I paid 70, which is about £3.50 for a taxi to the airport here. Big mistake, it should have cost me about £1.10. Doesn't sound a lot, but when you're travelling for about 2 or 3 months at a time, all these little things start to add up and they get crazy expensive. So yeah, watch the pennies and the pounds will watch themselves, as they say. Now after COVID, a lot of these places were shut down and it's really good now to see most of them back open again. Mackie D's is here. Can't go wrong with a Mackie D's. Start to crave it after a while. Yeah, there's a few apps there like Grab and what have you. You can download those. So I'm going to go down to this bottom here, head left, hit the beach, because I know where I am now. And stay with me and have a quick check out of the beach. Why not? So this morning I woke up early, around about 7:30. By 9 o'clock I was on a private speedboat, then a taxi, then an aeroplane, then another taxi, into a hotel, into a bar, and I'm back vlogging again. Even though it's not the best weather in the world, you've got to come to Bali. You've got to experience it at least once in your life. It's mad. And if you're a little bit more into exploring, go check out all the little islands, the Gillies, Nusa and Bongon. There's loads of places to go. Yeah, don't just get stuck here in the chaos. Get out and about and explore a little bit. Loads of shops here, so if you just want to rock up and buy all your kit while you're here, it's an option. Been here a few times and I've basically turned up with an empty bag and gone on with a suitcase full of stuff. It's kind of like a little bit like Thailand, but cheaper. You got all your genuine fakes going on, and obviously you got your bintang hat. And one of these ladies will sort you out straight away. You can't stop and look at stuff without getting jumped all over. I can see the ocean right in front of me, so stay with me and check out the beach. If you want to go posh here, we've got all sorts of stuff going on. You've got 5-star hotels, boutique hotels. We've got Jamie Oliver's here, Hard Rock Cafe. If you want to, you really want to do it on the budget side, you can stay somewhere in a hostel for like about £3-4 a night. I mean, literally, you can stay here in a hostel with a pool and a bed for £3 or £4 a night. You can't really argue with that. That's absolutely insane. Long-time travellers, if you are kind of like on a budget and you are struggling with your money or you want to make it stretch out, you can really live a good life here for literally next to nothing. Anyone who's been to Bali, got any recommendation of hotels, anywhere to stay, any good restaurants, any good bars? Anyone have any comments? Stick them down below. Let me know. Like I said, my channel's not very small at the moment, but people do watch. They really appreciate it when someone leaves a really positive comment about somewhere to stay or somewhere to go and get some really good quality food. So, seafood, vegetarian, vegan, if you know anywhere, leave a comment. Help other travellers, help them experience Bali. If you've had a good time here, just share the love. So all the way down there is the one-way system that takes you out of town. This road gets absolutely nuts. So one tip would be, if you've got a flight and you're in the afternoon during rush hour, make sure you give them plenty of time to get to the airport. Here we go. It's the beach time. I call this the plastic beach because everything that comes up on the shore is pretty much plastic, which is a huge shame about Bali. Indonesia has a massive problem with pollution in respect of garbage in the ocean, which is really, really sad. You know, the bars do try and keep on top of it, but it washes back up every single day. It's a massive problem and it does need sorting out. So yeah, if you like this kind of content, you have enjoyed this little video, give me a like, give me a subscribe. I'm filming everywhere I go now. If you've got any comments, leave them. Okay, and this one, and I'll catch you in the next one, and thank you for watching.